Wait, what?
Yeah, subscribe to my friend's channel.
She is so funny.
If you're not subscribing, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Take a shot. Y'all.
You just have.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not gonna say that. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm in the DP lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, I run through a million. I rock with a really, let's talk on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up.
Hey girl, hey. It is October 5th, Thursday. We're on the way to RESHA Brothers. I don't have no intro. Look at my lashes. I was gonna fix them before I left, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get the stuff to make spaghetti for me and my friends. So we're on the way to RESHA Brothers. This is gonna be another weekly vlog. It's been raining all week. I went to class in the rain on Tuesday, but today it was cats and freaking dogs. Like, it was raining so hard, and it's supposed to start back this evening. So I'm not gonna even worry about going out get like no fast food or nothing in the rain. I'm gonna get some spaghetti, so that's something I can eat today and tomorrow. I'm all about my leftovers. Alright, so I went to the Walmart on campus, but I mean not on campus. What the heck? I went to the Walmart by the school. They was playing music in there though, like real music, like Snooze by SZA, so I didn't record. But I got some of the stuff I needed for tonight. But I'm gonna go across the street to this other little ranky-danky store. It's not really ranky-danky, it's just like, but yeah, I'm gonna go to this other store and get the rest of what I need. I never recorded when we went inside of RESHA Brothers either, because, or however you say it, I don't really care to say it correctly, because like, who actually goes there? But I didn't record in there either because I don't like going, I don't even like really going in there, so I didn't record. But I'm boiling the eggs for my salad, cutting up sausage. I make the spaghetti. I make spaghetti salad. And what is this? Garlic bread, period. I'm gonna eat. I need to watch Coraline while I eat. I'm hungry. Hope my computer charged. Y'all, my bangs look a mess, so I got on this hat.
These kids robbed a bunch of celebrities. Just no fear to go to the next level. Everyone's like, Rachel, but the ring later, let him finish it up. We never even talk about her.
Okay,
Four of us would be friends forever.
let me pause my show.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
We're getting ready to go to a kickback. I want to vacuum my car out first, so I might go do that. But yeah, the kickback don't start till 9:30. But you know, your girl is never late to anything ever in life. I try not to be. I try to be very on time. I don't play those games. So I started getting ready early, cause plus I want to do something for my makeup. Don't know if I like it. Feel like I look kind of like, I don't know, maybe it's like the hat. I didn't think about the lighting with the hat. I don't know, but it's cool. It's whatever. I'm just gonna put on, I don't even know, but we'll see. Y'all, I'm dressed for tonight. It is 7:37. Your girl be dressed early. We're not even leaving out till 8. And what about it? I hate being late to anything. And I'm 9 times out of 10, watch the person I'm going with, watch her be late. Watch her not be prepared. But this is what I got on. It's just a black bodysuit. Chapter 11 jean jacket. I might cut my jean jacket. I think I want to. I want it cropped. Which I think. A bondage hat. And I'm wearing a crossbody and them Air Max. Girl, I need some more shoes. I know, don't talk about me. But yeah, I'm wearing them. But yeah. Talk. And you better make it quick. I haven't left to go out yet. I just came to pop up on Jalea. Cause I miss my Bookaroos. I have not seen her all day. Let's see. Not it was unlocked. I missed you, Bookaroos. You are so rude. What you get? Let me see. Go to beer get that. Everybody's so good. Like, let's see it again. We'll see who's gonna be drunk. It's gonna be crazy. RESHA, like, how many cards in? Like 20? 30, 40, 50, 60? Wait, how many? How you feel? Which time? How do you feel? I was saying like maybe 5, 6. I don't know. How do you feel? Fired up. We not drunk, so some better cards. Make some better cards. Put some better motherfucking questions because we sober. We don't shop well. Me and Scoob not toe up. Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harley. I done made a new friend. We over here just talking, making jokes and stuff. Naya been gone for 30 minutes. She thinks she Future Hendrix. She's drunk. Everybody
you drank the time. Like,
I ain't give a fuck.
my girl is gone. My girl.
It's gone. Yeah, hit the hips. Too rare is in the motherfucking building. You gotta do the dance. I'm doing good today. I'm doing so good. It's the repo. They be trying to have me on that Bronco. It's the repo tonight. I'm winning because I'm on that repo. I'm winning because I'm on repo. I love repo. They buy Bronco. That shit fucks me up. I'm a repo type of girly. Repo side up. This is what I drink. I don't know nothing about that clear shit. This, the devil. That's why they're like this.
She been getting me turned all night. She said, take a shot. I took a shot. She said, hit the blunt. I said, hit the blunt.
Where's Harley? Three shots. Y'all both was late. Take 3 shots right now. Take 3.
Take a shot.
3. Back to back. 1. What you had said. No fake shots. I'm worse than Beat King. That was 2. Yeah, I can count. You need to know how to do that to go to school.
Yo, Loki too.
Big girl.
Yeah, it's not.
She's talking like, yeah, that's not happening.
Hold on. My shit is right here. What you want to play? What the fuck?
She yelling.
Where's my phone? Okay, so who got a problem with it?
Wait. What do you want to
Subscribe to my friend's channel.
She is so funny.
If you're not
Take a shot.
subscribing, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Take a shot. Y'all.
You just had
It ain't nothing on there, babe. It's okay. Yeah. Yum, scrumpy, yum, yum. A perfect.
Shit face.
Shit face. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday. 2020.
I know how much you gotta miss me, and it's so wonderful. Do it right, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and be so wonderful. This all for real. I'll tell you this I feel, so make a memory of the nation. It's a happening. There's no chance to let you take one. It's a time to see the bright side of every situation. I really love it. Beautiful break. Lay your heart to me. Just lay your heart to me. Just lay your heart to me. No way.
Me too. Y'all, so we just left Harley kickback.
What's she gonna do for us?
And when I just went to her room. Wait, no, we parked right here. You parked
No,
up?
we parked on the higher floor. We walked down, remember?
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. So we just left Harley kickback. But when I'm gonna
Parked here. No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. Didn't we?
What's your number? Call me when you get to your car. You parked up there? You said this is where we parked. That's Red Bull. 4699541. You said up? We didn't come down 2 flights, I don't think. Call me so I could have it. But yeah. We looked on the 6th floor. We on that floor. My phone did.
We parked and we walked down. You took a video of the lights.
Wait, call me again. Yes, but we down. This is us. Okay, you're right. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, you got it. It's the one 13 minutes away.
Okay. Do you want me?
We suing the view. What is it?
Hey, fuck that. Texas Southern as
We
a whole.
suing Texas Southern U of H area. Going around in circles. And they towed friend's car.
Told my damn car, y'all. And I'm
For no
finna get that
reason.
shit back for free.
I am
They
getting
know.
dizzy going down these.
Yeah, and I'm tired of driving.
We were supposed to go to Waffle House. Waffle House closed on the inside, so we had Whataburger. I got breakfast. I'm ready to go to
You know
sleep.
how to line be at Waffle House.
I'm ready to go to bed. So I got a honey butter chicken biscuit and a taquito with orange juice. It's gonna be so good. I'm ready to go where I'm going.